Hey, what's up? Got this Billings Breaking Bad edition trailer here. Could use it for about anything. Cooking up some meth or whatever. Got a hole there, nice skylight. Breeze coming in the back. Got some stylish suits you can wear when you go out. Ooh. Even got a little shitter in here. Got nice painted sink there, painted green for you. Looks nice. Plenty of ventilation when you're stinking it up. Little mirror to look at your ugly mug. Shower. Got it all, son. Got some bear spray when you go out camping, keep the grizzlies away. Even got some victuals for you. Beans and peas, my favorite. Got a microwave up there, nice little stove here. Cook yourself some old catfish stew or something. What else we got? Luxury here. Got some refrigerator. Got some juice. Nice freezer. Just need to clean her out a little. Oh yeah. She's a little messy. Got another nice skylight there. This is where you cook your meth on this table here. Got the loker there. Oh yeah, smoker on up. Captain's seat. Got her made, son. Got some tools to fix her up if she breaks down. Luxury living. High on the hog in western Billings, son. She's a beaut.